Moving forward, as a car model robot, one of its crucial functions is how it moves as per our design, specifically, through the use of the motor and wheels. To prevent unexpected movement after programming and uploading, ensure the Maqueen Plus switch is set to off. The module we'll be utilizing is straightforward, with 3 parameters, which wheel and motor to control, the rotation speed, and the direction of rotation. For instance, you can use this module in Mind Plus to make your Maqueen slowly reverse at a speed of 50. It can also move forward or turn slowly. Take a couple of minutes to test it out. After successfully uploading the program, place Maqueen on a suitable flat surface before turning on the switch. Now that we have learned how to move the Maqueen robot, let's proceed to the next step. We will use a second micro-bit to wirelessly control the Maqueen robot using the accelerometer and wireless communication features. In this part, we will demonstrate how to control the Maqueen car using gesture control of the micro-bit's posture. Please refer to the following animated image. To implement this project, we need to utilize the wireless transmission and accelerometer functions of the micro-bit. We will use a judgment module to determine the posture of the micro-bit. For the 2 micro-bits, we need to write 2 separate programs. One micro-bit will act as the transmitter or remote control, while the other will be the receiver, responsible for controlling the Maqueen robot. For the 2 micro-bits, we need to write 2 separate programs. One micro-bit will act as the transmitter or remote control, while the other will be the receiver, responsible for controlling the Maqueen robot. Let's begin by writing the program for the transmitter. First, we need to activate the wireless transmission feature. In the micro-bit programming module, there is a specific module for enabling this function. It's crucial to ensure that the signal numbers of the transmitter and receiver match to avoid interference when using multiple micro-bits and Maqueens for wireless remote control. We only need to perform these setup steps once, so place them above the forever block. Next, we can start sending information. There is a module for sending information that we can use in the programming area. Now, let's find the module for gesture detection. We will send different messages by changing the posture of the micro-bit. When the micro-bit screen is facing up, i.e., the main board is facing up, we will select the When Face Up module. In this state, we want the car to stop, so we will send a stop signal. However, since words are represented as string-type content, we need to create a string variable in the variable section to store the text commands we send. Simply create a string variable with a suitable name. Then, use the setting module to assign the value stop to the variable when the micro-bit is facing up. Use the wireless signal sending module to transmit this variable information. To confirm if the information has been successfully sent, we can display a heart pattern on the screen. Similarly, when we want to make the Maqueen move forward, we can flip the main board forward, which corresponds to the logo down posture. Therefore, we will select the logo down module and set the variable to up. Then, send this variable and display the forward arrow pattern. Please continue to follow the same pattern to complete the transmitter programs for backward, left turn, and right turn. Once you've completed the program, click Uploader in the upper right corner to test if the screen displays the corresponding pattern according to the action you set. Please make sure to save this program before proceeding, and now let's write the program for the receiver. First, connect the Maqueen Plus main board to the computer using the USB interface. To ensure safety, remove the main board before programming. Next, open a new Mind Plus window or create a new project. Make sure to add the micro-bit and Maqueen Plus in the extensions section. After adding the extensions, return to the main interface. Start by setting the signal number for wireless communication to match the transmitter. In this example, we'll use the number 7 again. Then, enable wireless communication. The next step is to receive the wireless signal. Find that when receiving a wireless signals module and write our Maqueen program below this program header. Since we don't know which direction Maqueen should move based on the received wireless signal, we need to judge the signal. Use the if, then module to compare the received wireless signal using the equal sign. For example, if the received wireless signal is equal to up, it means Maqueen should move forward. In this case, we can make both motors of Maqueen move forward simultaneously at a speed of 100. Additionally, display the forward pattern. Similarly, continue to complete the subsequent programs on your own. Finally, click Upload in the upper right corner to upload this program to Maqueen for testing. Please place Maqueen on a suitable flat surface for testing. By adding another micro bit to the original Maqueen, we can achieve this remote control effect. Feel free to explore different creative designs. For example, I created a Maqueen version of the Ring Fit adventure game using a similar design method. If you have a gamepad, you can create a more realistic remote control experience. If you have any other innovative designs, please share them with us.